In this video, we present VNLP, an interactive, customizable visual framework that enables users to observe and participate in the NLP pipeline processes, explicitly manipulate the parameters of each step, and explore the result visually based on user preferences. The VNLP consists of 4 components: a user options panel that accommodates options to customize the focus and target texts. It enables the user to set the preferred font size to make the layout more accessible. It also provides an option that shows the similarity results in the other texts in the collection. The user options also include multiple preset color schemes, which can be applied to visible embeddings and the similarity histogram graph. The second component is the GUI pipeline, where the user interaction is applied in order to modify and steer the underlying visible pipeline stages. The GUI components are ordered based on the pipeline overview. The visible segmentation incorporates a segmentation threshold to avoid segments that are too short. It also visualizes the delimiters as the user enters them. The visible tokenization enables the user to set specific delimiters or regular expressions and show them as the user enters them. In the visible stopwords, the user can include the stopword removal function and can also see the current stopwords list, where the user can add or remove stopwords. The visible normalization enables users to choose raw text, stem text, or lemmatized text to be embedded in the next phase. The interactive options in the visible embeddings enable the user to specify the statistical quantifying approach. The user can choose to quantify the text using TF or TF-IDF. When choosing TF-IDF, it enables the user to experiment with 3 different formulas for deriving the TF values. It also enables the user to project different embedding values in the visible result. The projected value can be changed in order to help the user understand the derived embedding results. The user can choose what to show when hovering over the words in the VNLP embedding result: the global embedding values or the breakdown of the embedding formula. The visible similarity enables users to choose the similarity measurements used for the application. Each GUI component can be toggled on or off, and the corresponding stage in the visible result pipeline will be updated in the other windows too. Each GUI component also integrates an information icon, which when clicked presents detailed information about the corresponding stage. To start interacting with the tool, the user can set the focus and target text from the options panel. The focus text will be shown in the focus text view, which is the third component of the VNLP. The user can examine the segments generated and update them from the VNLP GUI. When the user clicks on a segment from the focus text view, the visible result view, which is the 4th component of the VNLP, shows the segment at each VNLP stage. The visible results view shows the context of the user selected segment. It also integrates the visible results that reflects the parameters set on the VNLP GUI components. Each visible result integrates a graph that provides metadata analysis related to the corresponding stage. For example, in the tokenization visible result, it shows the lexical diversity and tokens count in the selected segment, and how it compares to the global focus text. And in the visible embeddings, it shows the top highest embedding values and the corresponding words. This view also incorporates the visible text similarity application, which includes the Embedding Map and similarity result. From the context of the selected segment, the user can navigate to the previous or next segment in the same window. The user can also magnify a given stage for closer analysis. When the user modifies the tokenization parameters, the visible result updates accordingly. when the user includes the stopwords in the process. In other words, does not apply stopwords removal, the stopwords appear in the normalization visible results and are not included in the next stages. The user can update the stopwords list from the VNLP GUI and also remove or add word interactively using the visible results. When the user updates the normalization function, the visible result shows the normalized form on top of each word and affects the next stages. From the visible embedding GUI, when the user changes any option, the visible results updates and show the effect of the change. As there are multiple values that could be interesting for the user can choose to project the values in the visible result on top of each word.
There seem to be, because I'm trying to work out how these values can have been derived, because look at on the first line, 0.3 is the word one. The word one is very, very common. And sometimes it would be included in a stop list. It's so common.
Yes.
But then headgears is very uncommon. And 4 lines down, billycock. I can't believe that word occurs more than once in this whole text. So those values, they're puzzling. For me, they're very puzzling values because they're all quite similar. I don't understand where those values are generated.
Also, the user can hover over a word in the visible result, and the embedding values are presented. If the user chooses to show the embedding formula, a breakdown of the formula is shown for the user.
Yes, so
wow. It's a pretty amazing thing, really, isn't it? I'm trying to think what to compare it with. It makes me think of looking at it. It's like what's it called, Voyant, but it's kind of like it's a more informative thing.
Mm-hmm.
I know it takes you through the process. It's cool. It's very, very.
The visible similarity result incorporates a histogram and the most similar segment. The x-axis in the histogram depicts the similarity value, and the y-axis shows the number of results in each similarity value. The histogram includes also a user option to remove the last value column, usually the 0 results, as it appears to skew the histogram distribution. The histogram updates as the user changes the options in the VNLP GUI. The user also can observe the similarity result in the other text in the collection. The user can examine the embeddings map between the focus and target segment. The map provides the user with multiple options by which to sort the embeddings, such as by alphabetical order, by focus or target embeddings values, or by the focus text word order. It also includes a navigation option to move to the next result, based on the similarity results derived by the selected measurement. The Embedding Map updates as the user changes the options in the VNLP GUI. Thanks for watching.